The best motorcycle road in Somerset. Cheddar isn't just a road, it's a bucket list destination for UK bikers. The road itself, Cliff Road, is a masterpiece. It twists and snakes down for 3 miles between the jagged grey walls of the gorge. Cheddar Gorge is one of England's most iconic and greatest natural wonders.
And this is the start of the Cheddar Gorge. We're at the top of it at the moment, but we're down the gorge into Cheddar. Nice bend. Cars parked already. Cars parked everywhere. Oh, I see there's a little track put up there for the walk. That's why. Lovely bend. I'll drop down a gear.
We're at the northern entrance to Cheddar Gorge, about to ride the 3-mile stretch of the B3135 that slices right through it. This road is legendary in the biking world, and for good reason. It's known for its tight, twisting turns and scenery that is just jaw-dropping. The full B3135 route is about 14 miles long with over 20 bends, but this short, intense blast through the gorge is what everyone talks about.
Lots of little walks up the top end here, so I'm waving.
Riding north to south, in my opinion, is the best way to do it. Going downhill adds an extra thrill. You get the best views unfolding right in front of you.
I've got to say, it's a lovely day for a walk. It's cold, but the sun is out.
The speed limit is 20 to 30 miles per hour, and honestly, you wouldn't want to go any faster. You'd miss everything. You don't come here to set a lap record, you come here to experience it. This isn't just a road, it's like riding through a geological event. The tarmac twists through this narrow canyon. It's beautiful, but the road is tight, the corners are often blind, and there's cars parked everywhere.
So we're climbing.
The cliffs on either side shoot up a staggering 450 feet. Sheer walls of grey limestone that feel like they're leaning right over you. It is genuinely awe-inspiring. You feel tiny, just a little speck moving through this massive corridor that was carved out by meltwater at the end of the last ice age. As you ride around this left-hander, you see it, the main tourist hub. This is where it gets really busy. You ride past the entrance to Gough's cave, a dark mouth in the cliff that leads to a whole subterranean world. This is where they found Cheddar Man back in 1903, Britain's oldest complete human skeleton, who lived around 10,000 years ago. What's even wilder is that archaeologists have found evidence that people were using these caves, and in some cases practicing cannibalism as far back as 14,700 years ago. It just adds another mind-boggling layer of history to the ride. The road here is lined with shops selling cheese, fudge and all sorts of souvenirs. People are everywhere. If you're planning on riding it, my advice is simple. Get here early. Try to avoid the peak summer crowds if you can. Be ready for the traffic, but most of all, don't rush it. This is a road to be savoured, not conquered. Take your time, soak it all in, and then treat yourself to a hot drink and maybe one of the best scones you'll find in Somerset. Wrapping up this iconic ride, I'm left with an overwhelming sense of satisfaction. Cheddar Gorge has lived up to its reputation, offering a ride that's as beautiful as it is thrilling. The combination of stunning landscapes and exhilarating riding makes for an unforgettable experience. If you've got a favourite riding road in Somerset, share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more motorbike adventures. The next video to be produced is a ride on the Atlantic Highway, the best motorcycle road in Devon. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Right, here we are.